This is the Wiha Impact bit set. You can see on the website and right here all the bits that come in it. I've already sliced it open so we can get inside. Let's take a look. The bits look really nice. I'll just be using these for minor household projects, so I won't be putting them through a torture test. It looks like if you had extra bits, you could stack them up. Let's see. Oh yeah, you could. And still fit some more in the case. Might be a little loose, but you could do it. The case folds up. I think if you have some other Wiha cases, they will lock together right here. Case is really nice, except this right here looks a little iffy. I'm not sure how long this little clasp is going to hold up. It's doing okay right now. But it's a really nice case otherwise. And let's see, you get this magnetic bit holder. Oh, that's cool. You can take your bits out if you need to in sections. Very nice. It's a really strong magnet holding the bit in. Let's see if it travels to the end of the bit. No magnetism at the end of the bit, unfortunately. But your bit's not going to come out of there. Very nice, I think.